What's good, y'all? We're back with another video. We got BM. It's called Ooh this whole time. Damn, my bad. But I heard he's on his Beat 2K shit. Everybody going back in time with music. I kind of love it. Your boy on that fluffy hair vibe. Guys, if you don't already follow my Patreon, go check it out. We react to Physical Asia over there. We react to the Mama Awards. Go check it out. Link in the description. You can join for free, or you can support your boy by subscribing. It's $1. It's $1. Holla for $1. But without further ado, let's check out BM. He better give me some body rolls because I'll be kind of mad if he didn't. All right, in 3, 2, 1, bow. Oh, off the bat. Oh, he had the Spanish guitar. It's over. That's an old ass remote. Ooh, a steel drum? Oh, he not playing a motorcycle. Okay with the vocals. Oh. Hey. Need a little more. What you wanna do, girl? Gonna get you right. Okay, with the hair. The hair look good. What you say? Bottles on deck where you find me. He said he got bottles. I mean he got money. That manana. Nah, we don't support home wrecking. We don't listen. You gonna just take it. Oh, a little toxic, Little mommy. Ooh, I like that part. Make it look like on some Fast and Furious. Body roll. That body roll. Replay. Did the little. Ooh. Oh, he taking it back. I'm a PIMP. Interesting. That I think you need to check that engine. Wait, the ad-lib. Wait, you could. Wait, what kind of take out on you like throw some hands? Nah, I know what you mean. I know you. What you can't take? Hey. Ooh, can't take it. What the hell? Oh shit, he turned into a Silver Surfer? Daft Punk? Ain't no compromise. Oh, switch up. Keep a secret, you can't tell no lies. Keep it pushing, tell your man goodbye, cause he couldn't keep you satisfied. Damn. Oh, they sweating? Bring a couple friends with you next time. Wait, what you say? We fucking like hold up. My bad, y'all. I know you hate it when I pause and rewind. Keep a secret, you can't tell no lies. Keep it pushing, tell your man goodbye, cause he couldn't keep you satisfied. Fucking like we enemies. Bye. Bring a couple friends with you next time. Bet you love the way I beat it. You know what you heard about BM. I've been popping on seeds. He talking his shit. As long as we both on the same page. Yeah. Interesting shot of the girl though. Can't say. Are they being interrogated? Is this an AA meeting? What's happening? Wait, I didn't look at the signs. Step by step. After effects of BM. Wait, what are the after effects of BM? Wait, what are these? I need to read these. That shit blurred. I can't see. Fatigue, headache, exchange. What? We don't listen. Stay in school. Who's homegirl right there? Ooh, I can't think it. What you doing? Make it. Hey. Ooh. Hey. What you got? What you got? Bop, bop. Oh, we're done. Garage 94 motorcycle. That's a dope shot right there. And fire. Shout out to everybody that worked on this. Wait. What are the steps? Not that I'm trying to find out. Who's this man? There's so many questions. Let me hit him with a body roll. BM. He had to hit the body roll with the flex though. I would too. What you heard about BM? You gotta hit him with the body roll, bro. All right, let me see this. Insomnia, change of appetite, abnormal pain, headache, fatigue, depression. I don't want no damn. I'm not taking any BMs. What the hell? I don't want depression. I don't want none of those. I'm saying, ooh, can't take it. What you wanna do? I see the vibe. My bad for pausing homegirl. Yeah, with the flex body roll. Alright, I see what you're doing here. I actually like the vibes. I like the vibes of it. Me like B2K era, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, put a comments down below what you guys think of BMs. Ooh, you can't take it. Got you like, ooh, I won't make it. Everybody keep on going, never stop it. You already know what's popping. BM in the fucking building. Keep on going. I'm not gonna do freestyle for free. Alright, y'all, be sure to check out the Patreon. I go on Twitch here and there, playing some video games. I know BM be playing video games here and there, but I don't play the games he plays. I'm not playing COD or Fortnite. I'm not that bad. I play my horror games. Go give it some love. Music video, link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all, peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.